Welcome back MH Car Review. Today I'm bringing you something that doesn't just redefine luxury on wheels. It completely destroys every idea we ever had about what a motorhome, a luxury bus, or even a futuristic vehicle is supposed to look like. What you're looking at right now is a next-level, ultra-premium, double-deck Mercedes luxury motorhome concept that feels like it came straight out of the future. From the moment you lay your eyes on it, you know this is not an ordinary vehicle. This is a moving 5-star hotel, a rolling mansion, a futuristic palace designed for people who want comfort, style, and technology in one stunning package. The first thing that captures attention is the exterior. The design language feels like a mix of Mercedes' high-end luxury vehicles and spacecraft architecture. The body is sculpted with smooth, flowing aerodynamic lines that make this massive machine look sleek instead of bulky. The matte champagne gold finish gives it an elegant, royal appeal, while the giant black panoramic windshield at the front adds a hyper-modern touch. The LED light signature across the front is something you don't see even on S-Class or EQS models. The lights are clean, razor-sharp, and futuristic, making the entire face glow beautifully in both day and night. The wheels themselves are a statement. Huge multi-spoke alloys wrapped in low-profile tires that give the entire bus a sporty, high-performance stance. Even though it's huge, it looks athletic. That's the magic of the Mercedes design team. Moving to the side profile, the clean body lines, flush windows, and seamless panel design create the feeling of a luxury yacht on wheels. The upper deck extends slightly outward, giving passengers a full 180-degree panoramic viewing experience. This overhang design is not just stylish, it creates a unique two-floor layout with maximum interior space. Everything on the exterior, from the lighting to the curves, feels premium and futuristic, as if this vehicle belongs to the year 2050. Now let's step inside, because this is where the real magic happens. When you enter the lower deck, you're welcomed into a luxurious lounge-style interior. Huge windows create an open, airy environment with natural light flooding the entire lower level. The seating arrangement is premium, with leather recliners, ambient lighting strips along the ceiling, and ultra-modern paneling that gives this vehicle a private jet feel. The materials inside appear to be a mix of premium leather, polished metal, wood textures, and high-tech touch panels. Everything feels handcrafted and thoughtfully placed. Moving to the upper deck, the experience becomes even more luxurious. The upper level is designed like an open viewing lounge, with nearly full glass surroundings offering breathtaking views of the surroundings. This area looks perfect for long journeys, offering comfort without compromising style. The seats appear to be adjustable, with tablet-style displays integrated into the armrests. You could easily imagine passengers enjoying a movie, working on the go, or simply relaxing with a cup of coffee while traveling like royalty. The lighting inside both decks uses soft, warm LED ambient lights that run along the edges, making the entire space feel peaceful, elegant, and inviting. It feels like a blend of a luxury hotel suite and a first-class airline cabin. Space management is impressive. Each corner looks well utilized, giving maximum comfort and a premium lifestyle feel. Under the hood, although this appears to be a concept, it's easy to imagine Mercedes equipping it with a high-performance hybrid or fully electric drivetrain. The size suggests it needs significant power, and Mercedes would likely provide something with massive torque for smooth highway cruising. Concept luxury motorhomes like this usually prioritize stability, quiet cabin experience, and long-distance comfort over high-speed performance, but knowing Mercedes, it would still deliver impressive acceleration for its size. The aerodynamic shape helps reduce drag, making the vehicle surprisingly efficient for this scale. Advanced suspension systems would offer a cloud-like driving experience, absorbing bumps effortlessly. You would expect the driving cockpit to be loaded with digital displays, AI-assisted navigation, autonomous driving features, and a 360-degree camera system for smooth maneuvering despite its massive dimensions. When it comes to pricing, a vehicle of this scale and luxury is not going to be anywhere near affordable. Considering modern luxury motorhomes already cost between $3 to $5 million, and this Mercedes double-deck futuristic design goes far beyond anything currently on the market, it wouldn't be surprising if the price crossed the $7 to $10 million range. With customizations, limited edition features, and luxury add-ons, it could go even higher. This is not just transportation. This is a statement piece, a luxury lifestyle investment for ultra-high net worth individuals, celebrities, or business tycoons who want a moving palace. This Mercedes concept is an example of how the future of travel can be comfortable, technologically advanced, and unbelievably luxurious at the same time. It blends design excellence, futuristic engineering, and next-level comfort in a way that leaves a lasting impact. Whether you're a car lover, a luxury travel fan, or someone who dreams about futuristic tech, this vehicle is nothing short of breathtaking. If you want more reviews like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and stay connected with MH Car Review.